Well, I think the countryside is still looking beautiful because the weather over the last few weeks has been very quiet. But that's culminated this morning in some really dense fog across the central and southern parts of the country, and that is still slow to clear. But over this coming week it will clear. We'll have rain-bearing clouds coming from the Atlantic, so an end to the dry weather across most southern areas. At the moment we have high pressure though still, and this weak front across the central part of the country, and that's giving a lot of grey weather, a lot of drizzly weather too, through North Wales into northern parts of England. Further south over southern England, well, the sun coming through particularly near to the south coast, but the brightest weather across Scotland, just one or two showers up in the far north. Temperatures rising quite nicely in the south, and most places I think should be just in double figures, with the winds, as you can see, quite light. Overnight tonight, a lot of cloud across the country, still some mist around and some thick fog possibly reforming in the south. A few breaks across central Scotland. That could just allow a touch of frost, but some rain is likely across the more northern areas. On Monday morning, a grey start to the week in many areas, a bit of sunshine in the south, and that sunshine spreading further north as the day goes on. As you can see, temperatures still around about 10 or 11 degrees. So the weather on Monday is still relatively quiet with the area of high pressure there to the northeast, but things then really changing because the area of low pressure to the south is going to be pushing its way north, bringing some rain and some fairly strong winds to many areas during Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday morning still dry in many areas, but the rain in the southwest moving fairly steadily northeastwards across the whole of England and Wales. Some of that rain quite heavy. Perhaps western parts of Scotland, some northern parts of Northern Ireland still dry for much of the day. Temperatures about 9 or 10, so quite chilly actually, with an easterly wind on the east coast, but fairly mild in the south, about 14, and some brighter weather arriving in the far southwest by the end of the day. That rain then pushing away northeastwards during Wednesday, some strong winds for a time, particularly near the coast, but by the end of the day many areas will be bright with some showers just around that western coast, so for Wednesday evening it should be largely dry. And it'll still be fairly warm too in many areas, about 12 to 14 degrees. Then on Thursday and Friday, as that low moves away, another weather system pushing its way eastwards means a belt of rain and then blustery westerly winds, a mixture of sunshine and showers.